praise. With every hue, with every shade, our hearts entwine in the evening cascade. Unsaid embrace as day turns to night. In the golden hour, love takes flight. Through fiery skies, through twilight's grace, our love ignites in this sunset embrace.